What's going on, everyone? Got another hard reset for you today. Today we're going to do the ASUS ROG 6. Really cool phone, gaming phone with some sweet specs. But if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot what it is and have to do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it will be deleted. And just a heads up, we got a ton of hard resets and teardowns coming up. So if you want to see something in particular, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. Otherwise, if you could follow, share, and like, we'd appreciate all that. But let's get right into this. You have your volume up, volume down, and power button on this side. And what we want to do is we want to hold volume up and power, and that should take you right into the recovery mode. But just be careful because it comes up kind of quick and you don't want to be holding power when it comes up. So it doesn't really vibrate or load the screen first. It just kind of goes right into it. So we're going to hold volume up first and hold power. Basically, when you see the top of the screen show anything like a start, we'll let go of power. And it does sometimes take a second. So there we go, you got in there. You can use your volume buttons to navigate and your power button to select. So we want to navigate to the recovery mode, then hit your power button to confirm. As long as my power button's not against it. There we go. Wasn't pushing hard enough. All right. So this should load right into the main recovery where we can select. Yeah, there we go. So we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, the power button to select. We're going to scroll to wipe data factory reset. And it wants us to get past all the no, and get to the yes. We'll confirm again with the power button. And then it's wiping. And then as soon as it's done, it'll bring back the options to either power off or to restart. In this case, we're just going to power it off, but now the phone is reset and it'll be on the welcome screen and you can navigate it to the home screen and start on over. But that is how you do a hard reset on a ASUS ROG 6. If you guys have any other questions or comments, we'd appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching and we'll catch you on the next one.